55% cotton, 45% polyester. Imported. Made from polyester cotton fabric, sheets create clean and comfortable space for your baby. The sheets feature deep pockets to help achieve a secure fit around the mattress. Machine washable and dryer safe for easy cleanup to help keep baby comfy and the mattress clean and dry. Compatible with Quick Connect with portable seat, Quick Connect with portable bouncer, Rock and Grow, newborn to toddler, and the Snuggle Seat Playard. Using Graco Pack and Play Quick Connect, TM, Playard sheets creates a comfy and fresh environment for baby to rest or play. These sheets are custom tailored to fit your Graco Quick Connect, TM, Playard mattress. Made from polyester cotton fabric with a secure fit, they're designed to create a safe, clean and comfortable space for your baby to sleep or play, at home or away. Quick Connect sheets are compatible with the following Playards: Quick Connect with portable seat, Quick Connect with portable bouncer, Rock and Grow, newborn to toddler, and the Snuggle Seat. Top reviews from the United States. A must-have with a pack and play. This keeps your pack and play looking neat and more comfortable for baby. I love it.